Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Wise Words Wednesday. I'm Jamie, president and founder of Fabric to Finish. Thank you so much for joining me today. I want to take the opportunity to revisit a conversation that we've had before, and I want to bring it back to the top of everybody's inbox because it's really important for you all to hear. In fashion, DIY or do it yourself can feel like total dedication, like proof that you're all in. I've got this. But trying to own every step, from concept to production to delivery, can quietly dilute the very vision you are working so hard to build. Wanting to be involved is natural, but true growth often asks for something harder: discernment. Knowing where your role ends and where expertise begins. Because fashion production isn't just creative, it's technical, operational, and it's deeply logistical. It's timelines, sourcing, fittings, revisions, testing reports, quality control, and precision at every stage. Many founders hesitate to bring on a team because it feels like they're losing control. But the right team doesn't take your vision away. They refine it, they protect it, and they carry it further than you could alone, all while giving you the breathing room to focus on building your business, the digital marketing, or anything else under the sun that a business owner must do in order to stay afloat. At Fabric to Finish, we step into that space with you, bridging creativity with execution and vision with reality. The phrase that I love to use when I meet new prospective brands is that you need to know what you don't know. That awareness isn't a gap, it's a total advantage. And when it comes to the price of experts, it's not just about cost, it's about consequence. In this industry, inexperience is often far more expensive than expertise. Delays, miscommunication, production errors, rejected samples, wrongly applied trims, these are all the hidden costs of going it alone. The right investment doesn't move things forward, it ensures they're done right. Thank you so much for watching today. If you have any questions about what I've spoken about and you want to talk a little bit more about the DIY disease, please go to our website to learn more at www.fabrictofinish.com. We look forward to hearing from you. Thank you so much and have a great day.